Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert a product roadmap table in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser, then open your Google Docs apps, then create your blank document. Now you can see here are my blank document. Now I insert a product roadmap table in this document. Go to insert menu. Now you can see here are building block option. Choose this building block options, then you can see here are product roadmap options. Now you can see I insert product roadmap in Google Docs very easily. You can move this table to like this. Now you can see I insert product roadmap in table in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.